in here for them. So it should be a tight contest.
Punches down the ground and he finds the gap as well. Was aerial for a time being, but he found the gap of perfection.
This is a very good shot. Gets in a great position, just times it. He flew past the bowler. They are very happy, the dugout of Chennai Rhinos. So ironical, same team are meeting again in the finals of season 2, same venue. The big question is, what will be the outcome? Changes his length, cannot prevent a single.
That's good batting by Vikrant. First ball was pitched up, he drove it back to the bowler. And the second one was a length ball, played it with soft hand towards mid-wicket. He knew there was no fielder out there and ran a quick single. Good smart batting from Vikrant. 14 runs have come off his blade out of 15.
From the Rhinos' perspective, it becomes imperative that Vikrant carries on like this. He needs support from the other end, a player who can rotate the strike, give him more chance to strike at the red cherry, or the white cherry I should say. Or I should forget about that, let's say the white ball.
Kukubura.
By Sudeep, but it came off the pads. Great effort by the wicketkeeper, Captain Sudeep.
He steps out and what an effort from Sudeep. Dived full length. That sort of commitment is needed. That kind of energy is needed to play such a big game. Who better than the captain himself? Again, he comes back in sharply. They're right on the money. The bowlers, they've really not provided any kind of room to the batsmen so far. Almost at the end of 3 overs. Plenty of support for both these teams.
We see the team owners of other sides also. As Kerala Strikers team owners Shazi and Lizzie Priyadarshan. So that's the kind of support this CCL has generated. And all this augurs well for this format and this property here. Down the leg side should be a wide. You also get a single. Oh, we can get some more. 3 in the end. After they still have 1 ball to go.
Down the leg side, Sudeep fumbles the glove work and the backup fielder didn't have enough time to go round and cover it up. I think that's the reason he's conceded 2 runs.
So after 3 is 18 for 1.
After 3 overs, Chennai Rhinos 18 runs for loss of 1 wicket.